And we're back. Okay, before the thing. Oh, damn it. Anyways, we're going to be doing a molding video. Those materials you're going to need, I'll have these in the description below too. So yeah, let's get started. I'm making two different molds. First off, we're going to cut a cup. I hate cups. No, I'm kidding. So yeah, this is going to be the container. And then I'm going to forgot to grab the clay. So clay is going to be your base. And then you're going to put the cup on top of the clay, making a seal. And then you're going to put your found object in the clay. So yeah, how you guys been? Missed ya. By the way, look at these cute little skulls. I love them. So yeah, I just want to make more of these because I'm going to start putting them in a lot more jewelry. Because they're cute. I love them. I want the different colors too. Anyways, so I stuck them in the mold, I stuck the skulls in the mold. Sorry about that. Just making sure the clay is going to be sealing with the cup. You don't want any leaks. I'm using amazing silicone rubber high strength liquid. It comes with the white liquid that's in the big jar, and then the little thing is the hardener. When you use this, make sure you're using gloves because it's sticky. And follow directions. I did not. It still came out really good. I was just guessing here. I'll use this mold mixture, whatever, a million times. And so far it has not disappointed me. So far. So after you mix your mixture, you're going to put it into the cup with your objects. And to reduce air bubbles, make sure you do it at a high, what do you call it? There we go, like that. Forgot what it's called. There's a term for it. Anywho. So it's going to set for at least 2 hours. I usually wait a day. So, the next mold, it's also by Amazing, but this is mold putty. And I like this stuff because it's just easy to mix, so you can just take off the gloves and do whatever. So you're going to take equal parts of both putties. One's a hardener and one's a silicone mix. You're going to mix them together. But you have to mix really fast because they harden in within 3 minutes. Yeah, I usually wait a whole day for it to harden to make sure there's no air bubbles, there's no weird forms. So yeah, originally I was just going to have this lay down. But I decided I need something to weigh it so when I pour resin it's not going to spill everywhere. Because it's hard to get resin off of anything. So I actually use one of the measuring cups from the mold. The mold mixing thing in the pink box, yeah. And actually came out really nice. I like this shape. So yeah, wait a whole day for it to harden. And I got these babies. So after I took everything off, the clay and the cup, I put resin in it, and look how they came out. Cute. I might make earrings out of these, or necklaces, maybe those jar things. And then my pendulum mold, because I need another one, if I can get it out. There we go. I did layer resins and it came out really nice. Minus that it doesn't show the red. But I'm happy with this. Anyways, thanks for watching.